One of the key messages of this video is that it's never too late to start planning for retirement. Many people over 55 find themselves with little or no savings, which can be overwhelming, but it's essential not to give in to despair. Life circumstances like raising children, paying off mortgages, or supporting family members can delay savings, but the focus now should be on what you can control moving forward. A positive mindset and commitment to taking action are the first steps to success. Acknowledge the situation without self-blame and begin formulating a strategy, knowing that even a few years of focused effort can make a significant difference. Before taking any financial action, it's essential to understand your current financial standing. Assess your income, debts, assets, and any potential future sources of income, such as Social Security. From there, set a realistic timeline for retirement, whether you aim to retire at 65, 70, or beyond. Create a clear plan, outlining where you are now and where you need to be by your desired retirement age. This could involve reducing expenses, increasing income, or finding alternative revenue streams. Your greatest asset is your ability to earn an income, especially at this stage in life. The amount you save is less important than the amount you keep. Income, even if modest, can go far if managed carefully. Many people with high earnings still find themselves with little savings due to lifestyle inflation, while others with more modest incomes manage to accumulate considerable retirement funds. Increase your income through part-time work, side businesses, or extending your career. Maximize savings by managing expenses and preventing lifestyle inflation. Knowing where your money is going is key to financial success. While many find the idea of budgeting restrictive, reframing it as a way to control and manage your finances can be empowering. A budget is simply a way to ensure you are making deliberate decisions about how to use your money. Conduct a 30-day spending audit to understand your financial habits. This exercise will help you identify unnecessary expenses and free up money that can be directed towards savings or investments. Once you've taken stock of your financial situation, look for ways to minimize unnecessary expenses. Whether it's downsizing, eliminating luxury purchases, or cutting out subscriptions, every bit saved can go toward building your nest egg. Implement a savings plan by directing even small amounts toward retirement accounts. Reducing expenses can lead to substantial savings over time, even if you're starting late. One of the biggest expenses for many is housing. In this script, creative solutions such as offering live-in care services or sharing a home with family members were presented as ways to drastically reduce living expenses while maintaining a stable home environment. Consider out-of-the-box solutions like downsizing, renting out part of your home, or co-living arrangements that significantly cut costs, allowing more of your income to be funneled into savings. The traditional retirement age of 65 is becoming less relevant as people live longer, healthier lives. Working past 65 allows you to continue earning income and building your retirement savings, and it also enables you to delay claiming Social Security, which can boost your benefits. If feasible, extend your career into your 70s or consider part-time work or a new career path that you enjoy. This can reduce the financial strain on your retirement savings and keep you mentally and physically engaged. Delay Social Security benefits until after full retirement age can significantly increase the amount you receive each month. This strategy is particularly beneficial for those who can continue working and don't need the extra income right away. Plan a Social Security strategy that maximizes your benefits. Consider speaking to a financial advisor to calculate how delaying benefits can impact your long-term retirement income. Good health is essential for reducing medical costs, which can skyrocket in retirement. By staying physically and mentally fit, you improve your quality of life and extend your ability to work, if necessary. Incorporate regular exercise, healthy eating, and mental wellness practices into your daily routine to protect your health and reduce future medical expenses. Cultivate faith and positivity. Maintaining faith in yourself, your ability to adapt, and even in a higher power, can give you the resilience needed to face challenges. Believing in your capacity to overcome obstacles and maintain focus on your goals is essential. So adopt a positive mindset and believe in your ability to change your financial situation, no matter how daunting it may seem. Staying motivated and focused is crucial to success. Keep learning and stay informed. Lifelong learning is not only intellectually stimulating, but it also helps you stay updated on the best financial strategies. Books like The Richest Man in Babylon and Think and Grow Rich can be excellent sources of inspiration. It's also important to stay informed about tax-saving strategies, catch-up contributions, and the best ways to invest your money. So, continue to educate yourself on financial matters and stay updated on retirement savings options, tax breaks, and investment strategies that can help you maximize your resources. Consider a reverse mortgage or HECM. A reverse mortgage, particularly a home equity conversion mortgage, HECM, can provide significant financial relief by tapping into your home equity. This can eliminate mortgage payments or provide a tax-free stream of income, making it an attractive option for those with limited savings but considerable home equity. Evaluate whether a reverse mortgage or HECM is a good fit for your retirement strategy, particularly if you have 50% or more equity in your home. In conclusion, these 12 strategies highlight that even if you're starting late, there are many ways to build financial security for retirement. The key is to take control of your situation, develop a solid plan, and stay focused. By making the right adjustments, such as budgeting, working longer, and thinking creatively, you can create a more comfortable and financially secure retirement.